Our stick puppet show is a story from the Bible. David and Goliath. The story begins when the Philistine and Israelite armies are in the battlefield, daring each other to start a war. Then a giant Philistine warrior named Goliath gets up and boasts. Hey, did you Israelites come here to fight Philistines? Well, I am a real Philistine. You guys pick somebody tough and have him fight me. If he kills me, you win the war. Of course, if I win, then we win the war. Ha ha ha. The Israelites run away from Goliath. Coward! One of you's coward! Then a kid named David go to his brother Eliab, who is an Israelite warrior, and said, somebody should go out there and fight him. What are you doing here, David? You just want to see a battle. A lot of help we're going to be. David turned to the king of Israel and said, King Saul, I want to fight that giant. Are you kidding? You are just a kid. And Goliath has been a soldier all his life. I killed lions and bears when I was taking care of my father's sheep. God saved me from them, and God will save me from Goliath. All right, you can do it. Here, you can use my armor. David puts on Saul's armor. He can hardly walk. It is so heavy. I am not used to all this. I can do my way. David takes armor off. He bends down and picks up some stones. Can't you come up with anybody better than this? I'm gonna kill you, dead boy. You got a sword and spear, but I got God in my side. God will help me show the world that He is all anybody needs. Goliath raises his spear. David throws a rock with his sling and hits Goliath. Goliath falls down. David defeated Goliath. Look, you Philistines, we're beating you because God helps us. Then the Philistines run off. And the Israelites won because of David's faith in God, and God helped him. Yay! The end.